How to enable Snapchat's dark mode on iPhone. Do you want to keep those vibrant colors under control? With Snapchat's dark mode, you can make the entire app experience more suitable for viewing at night. We'll walk you through the process of enabling this mode on your iPhone. How to enable dark mode on Snapchat for iPhone. To use Snapchat's dark mode, simply launch the Snapchat app on your iPhone. Tap the user symbol in the top left corner of the program. Select the settings option from the top right corner of the user page. Tap App Appearance at the bottom of the My Account section on the settings page. You've arrived to the App Appearance page. Choose Always Dark here. This ensures that, regardless of your iOS settings, Snapchat always utilizes a dark theme. And that's it. With Snapchat now having a dark mode on iPhone, your favorite app should now blend in with the other apps on your phone when you've selected dark mode. If this was useful, please like, share, and subscribe. You can watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.